Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to subscribe to Crunchyroll using your iTunes account? Here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Crunchyroll app on your iOS device. Navigate to your profile and select Settings. Tap on Premium Membership to view subscription options. Choose the subscription plan that suits you best. Confirm your payment through iTunes. Ensure you have sufficient Apple ID balance or a linked payment method. And that's it. You have successfully subscribed to Crunchyroll using iTunes. Enjoy your ad-free anime experience. If you encounter issues such as your subscription not appearing in your Apple subscription list, ensure your payment method is valid and contact Apple support if problems persist. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.